So this is your group work / homework on rate of change from a context. Lashana is making jewelry to sell at a craft fair. On Monday, she makes 12 bracelets. On Tuesday, she works an additional 2.5 hours and has a total of 12 bracelets. Okay, the key word here is she has a total of 22. She has a total of 22 bracelets, which means that is added to the 12. I'm sorry, the 22 is the 12 that she made, the 2.5 hours that she worked is being added together. What is the unit rate of time it takes for her to make each bracelet? Each is a key word because we want to know one bracelet. That means that's going to be at the bottom of our rate of change and unit rate. So we're going to do bracelet over time. I'm going to say time because right now it gives us in hours, but as we convert it, we're not going to know if it's going to be better to convert it into minutes. So right now we have information of what? She worked on Tuesday for 2.5 hours and she has a total of 22 bracelets. But before that, she made 12 bracelets. Okay? So I'm going to subtract 12 from 22. When I subtract that, that is going to give me how many bracelets she made on Tuesday, because on Tuesday she worked 2.5 hours and she has a total of 22 when you added the 12 she previously had. So now she has 10 bracelets. So the time is 2.5 hours for 10 bracelets. But this is what I want to ask myself. Do I want to keep it as hours? If I divide 10 into 2.5 hours, it can get real tricky. So the best thing to do is, I would say, convert it into minutes. I know for 2 hours is equal to 120 minutes. But I still need half an hour, so I'm going to add 30 minutes to that to get my total. 120 plus 30 is going to give me 150 minutes. It took her to make 10 bracelets, okay? This is going to be much easier to convert to unit rate because when I divide by 10, when I divide 150 into 10 doing minutes, it's going to be so much easier than to do it by 2.5, which is hours. So in this case, I'm going to divide by 10, which is my denominator. And I'm going to find out that it costs 15 minutes to make one bracelet. So again, it took Lashana 15 minutes to make one bracelet. So basically, I want you guys to remember to separate your information. First, start here with the question. It's talking about time for a bracelet. It didn't say hours. It didn't say minutes. So it left it open by saying time right here in the question to convert it to whatever you want to convert it to, as long as it represents time. You could have done seconds. A little tricky, but you could have. In this case, we converted it to the time that would work. And then we separated the information in the body of the paragraph. So just remember to do that as you're going along.